USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about US dollar against Canadian dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Join free Telegram right here below the video. And if you want to talk to me, you can book one-to-one consultation. You can check out these links. Get the robot if you want to. Check out these links in your free time. Subscribe, like and share. Coming back to the chart, starting a top-down approach with a weekly time frame. We had a rotation last week. Then we have slightly bullish, slightly I will say okay, not very strong, but I think we might have taken this low, so we might go up. Coming back to daily time frame. All right, so yeah, this looks like this was your new low, and now we have to wait for either to continue going down or to have a bullish breakout. Coming back to 4 hour, we are consolidating. As you can see, the price is going in between the lines. In the EMA, you can see, okay, this is last week had been consolidating, very boring, you know that, okay. So now we have to pick and choose. Either we will go up or we'll go down. You don't know, but maybe I do. So if you want to confirm if we're going to go up or down, you can book consultation with me. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. So then take care. Have a good one.